This is the purest junkie animal, the lemur, which remains intoxicated all the time. While humans get high on alcohol and cigarettes, this guy has a completely different way of getting high. Whenever this animal spots a millipede, it bites it. In self-defense, the millipede releases toxic chemicals from its body, and that's exactly what the lemur wants. These toxins make it feel high, as if it's in paradise, sending waves of relaxation through its mind. Even after this, the lemur doesn't let go of the millipede. Instead, it vigorously rubs it all over its body, so that more toxic chemicals stick to its fur. This serves another purpose. The toxins act as a natural mosquito repellent. As soon as the lemur drops the millipede, another lemur picks it up to get high, and this cycle continues.